Hi guys, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and I have something really exciting to share with you today. The folks at Erin Condren sent me this box of goodies to share with you. So it's a little sneak peek at some fun stuff. Are you ready? All right, let's dig in here and see what we've got. So today, there's a lot of fun things in here. Erin Condren is releasing the new 2020-2021 monthly planner, and that is here. Let me show you. So this is the monthly planner. I am going to do separate videos for all of these items. So I ordered this one in the layers neutral pattern, so that's what this is. But again, I will do a much more detailed video with some of this stuff, and I'll link them here. So we have the deluxe monthly planner. There are also new academic planners, which I'm really excited about. There is the coiled academic planner and a new, and I'll show you this one up close here, a new soft bound academic planner, which you're gonna love. And so this is all new, and it's the same academic planner layout. A few differences just because of the size, but there's a coiled option and a soft bound option. So again, I will do another video which I'll link here for you, but this is just kind of a sneak peek. It's in the mid-century circles pattern, which is just beautiful. So there are these planners, and then there's the vision journal, which if you got the spring surprise box, you would have, there was one of these in there, but these are now available on the website, and it's a really great place to create vision boards, sort of mini vision boards, and plan out your goals and work towards achieving them. So there will be a video for this as well. And then there's a gray elastic pen holder, which will work really well on the soft bound planner, I think, on the soft bound academic planner. So you always have a pen with you, so I like that. And a set of markers in the red, blue, and black. And I love these dual tip markers. I use them all the time. And then there is a Deskpad. And the Erin Condren Deskpads, if you haven't used one before, they are gorgeous. They have the metallic accents, and in the back there's a huge, like a full page of stickers that is the same size as the Deskpad. So I use this. I have one on my desk right now, and this one is for 2020 to 2021, but it actually starts in August of 2020. So the best time to buy this is really right now, so you can take advantage of the last few months of 2020, well, August through the end of 2020, and then all of 2021. So that's a lot of months. So don't wait till the end of the year to get this. Get this now so you can use it almost right away. So that is my unboxing, and I am going to go through, like I said, each individual product and review it. So I will link up all the videos here. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Nina Nandagopal, and you can find me at almostpractical.com, where I do a lot of Erin Condren reviews because I love Erin Condren products. And I write about organizing and productivity. So thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for the reviews of all the items in this box.